Where are we, Triana? Triana, where are we? Where are we? Sabi niya, nakita niya agad yung arko. Sabi niya, Disneyland! Init. Ah, grabe init. Mamaya na tayo dito. Dire-diretso na tayo. Malamig pero mainit. Malamig. So we're here. I-scan lang ata yung ticket. Then, na lang ulit. Thank you.
Get the physical card. The ticket.
No, we just did the ticket for the...
So we're here inside Hong Kong Disneyland. Hindi mo dungaw. Hindi mo dungaw. Si Triana! Mahangin na mainit. Talaga ng Mariong may. Nasabi mo, Pao? Wow! Hindi kita guys, pero nandun yung castle. Saan tayo? Parking muna. City Hall muna kami. Magre-reklamo lang. Hi Triana. Meron nakita ditong bata. Batang gusgusin. Sa City Hall siya. Come here, baby. Triana. Triana. Sit down with Dada. Sit down with Dada lang. Are you excited? Yes. Say, let's go.
Let's go.
Interview. Are you happy?
Mama.
Tell, hi Mama.
Hey, Mama.
I love you.
I love you.
Thank you
Let's go.
for bringing me
Let's go.
in Disneyland.
Hey, go.
Ikaw at Pikaw. Sige, ikaw at Pikaw tayo dito. Okay, pasok na kami. Pack vlogger. Let's go. We're here na. Ang daming tao. Daming tao sa Quiapo, guys. Wow! It's a castle! So, dito na tayo guys. Papasok mo sa kaso. Kaso ni Pinocchio. Charot na, hindi ko lang. Hindi ko lang kung nasan tayo. First time ko lang din dito. Oops. Wow, carousel. So kung tatanong nyo saan tayo pupunta, di ko rin alam. Sinusundan ko lang to. Saan tayo papunta, Pao?
Arendelle.
Arendelle. Ah. Kala ko Intramuros eh. World of Frozen. Yun. Sana malamig. So yun guys, dito namin sa World of Frozen. Uy, lamig na ah. Ayan o. Wow! Talagang wow! Where are we? Where are we? Frozen! Wow! Kitang-kita mo naman yung meeting yun. Yung binabayaran mo dyan. Madami nga lang nagbabayad. Oh, dami nila. Jungkook.
I'm sure there should be a lot of people.
Dito pala yung BTS.
May roller coaster.
Oh, yung roller coaster nga. Arendelle Daily Press. Said to tell me why. Kumanta yun. Do you wanna build a snowman? Excuse me. Vloggers coming through. Charot. I think iiwan na lang ata. Sige, go. Di-discover naman natin yan. Ayun na si Elsa! Ako na-shock eh, no?
Are you excited?
So we're here guys sa Frozen Ever After. Parang ano siya, water lang na ride. So excited na yung batang matulit. 4. So let's go. Let's go sa ride. Let's go.
Look at there.
May ilaw.
Hi, Olaf. Wow. What's that? Oh, hi, Charles.
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love, but for a frozen heart.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Indeed.
Going up. Wow, it's Olaf again. It's Olaf.
Drop, Pao, drop. Drop, 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 drop. Ha? Natakot. Kahit ako natakot.
Naku, nila mo naman, nakakapit na. Scared. Oh
Are you
my
scared?
gosh, sabi niya,
Oh my gosh. Ala, Elsa!
Oh my gosh.
The hot and the cold are both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense. Lunch, my dream, relaxing in the
Grabe, ang
sunshine.
ganda ng animatronics.
The sky.
Ano si Ola? Sa akin yan.
Okay, we're done. So, tignan natin guys. Picture natin dito. Ay, sorry, sorry. Nakanganga ako dun sa visit na rides na yun.
Hello! Welcome to Arendelle. I'm Svante and they are Afternoon and Halvor. And we are the Royal Troubadours. During her coronation ball, Elsa accidentally released her ice power to the public. She was so scared and she ran away. She escaped on a long journey towards the North Mountain.
Elsa! Yes! Happy Summer Snow Day!
enjoy the open game.
Bye-bye. Say
And wish
bye-bye.
everyone who meet a happy summer snow day.
Bye-bye, Elsa. Bye-bye. Yung sabihin lang, no?
Look at the face of Rihanna. Hi.
Yung sabihin lang nun is ice cream. Charot. Let's go.
Isn't there?
No, you are your son.
Is it in my shirt? I'll tell you what then, Zane. Wow. This time you're going to make it easier. Zane, hand it here. Take your brother. Now we
Kaya
have
daw
time
naman
for
daw
just
natin
one
Adriana sa
final.